Ever since I was a little girl, I was very religious because that was what I was exposed to. And I just found such great comfort in that. But as I got older, I started to see the flaws in religion. And after that, it was, I got into meditation. And that was a whole path for, up until now, I still continue that. There was the Reiki, there was angels, there was channeling, there was everything. And then I found you, and I've just questioned everything. I was in great pain. I was going through a marriage separation after 40 years of marriage, and that just pulled the rug out from under me. And I lost all direction. I was in deep pain, and that's when it just appeared. Your work just appeared. Speaking with friends, speaking with people that were going through similar problems, but I found I was just wallowing in the same pool with them, and I really wanted to jump out of that pool, and I got the courage to jump, and that's what made things change for me. That was the crazy part. I thought, I don't have the money for this. I was so afraid of being homeless or in poverty. And I thought, I know this is not the time to be spending money on something that I'm drawn to. But I really was interested and wanted this, but I didn't have any financial means. My decision was going, oh, just screw it. I'm going to put it on my visa and that'll be fine, because I really wanted this. And then it dawned on me, oh my God, I have a money order for X amount of dollars sitting on my desk at work that has been there for 3 months, just sitting there in an envelope. And problem was solved. This morning I was on the beach, and I was thinking about exactly that, and how I've become so much happier, so much joyful, without having reasons to be. Before I started with your program, it was almost painful. It was like I was pulling up a rope, trying to get somewhere, and I couldn't, because I'm just not good at climbing ropes. And it's what it felt like, that I'm never going to get this. I'm never going to get what it is I feel is there. It's waiting for me. And now I'm just moving things over and starting to see a much clearer path, and a much more, it's just love. It's just love. That's what it is. When you see reality, there's nothing to fear. It's clear. It makes me almost want to cry, because it's so powerful. The alchemy was extremely important for me. That was the beginning of really understanding all the concepts that you teach us. It was the gateway. I've said that before. It just opened up something. When I could actually see how one moment I could be in such despair, to directly afterwards I was in peace and happiness. That really showed me, okay, this is incredible. No, this is credible. Thoughts, that's one of the biggest things, how I really recognize thoughts for what they really are. They're nothing. They're nothing. There's no turning back once you start the program. And you don't want to look back anymore. You don't want to be driving and looking in a rear view mirror. I'm less fearful. I trust more. I trust what's happening. And changing my life after 40 years is a pretty scary thing for, I think, anybody. I'm not afraid now. I have tools. I can do this. And I've got a lot of years to look forward to.